back to the final nesting vlog of this pregnancy. I am currently 38 weeks and 2 days pregnant, and there's just a little bit left I need to do before this baby arrives, and so I thought I would vlog the final nesting vlog, probably my last vlog before this baby joins us. So let's do it. On my list today, I want to install the infant car seat base, sterilize all my pumps and bottles, do just like a little house refresh, some laundry, basic stuff, organize the baby's closet again. It just keeps it built up again. I did that a while ago, and then it kind of just got unorganized and a mess again, so I need to reorganize that again. And then I want to clean out the freezer drawer, and then also the deep freezer, make sure it's not like a mess, so that when I'm freezing breast milk I have a place for it. Oh, also like clean my car out a little bit before installing the base. Not much left, but crucial things are left, which would be the car seat. Like, obviously I feel like I had that done at like 36 weeks with Cohen. I don't know when this baby's coming. I don't really feel like they're coming this week, so we're fine. We're in the final stretch, 38 weeks and 2 days. I had Cohen at 38 weeks and 5 days. I can't imagine having a baby in 3 days, actually. That's crazy to think about. I don't feel like this baby's gonna come early like he did, but we'll see. Regardless, I'm so excited because I only have at least like 2 weeks, and that's not that long. We need to get some stuff done. I thought I would vlog today doing those. Cohen's currently napping, so we're gonna get on to doing this stuff so that we get most of it done before he wakes up. And do a little quick car cleanup and then install the base. I'm actually swapping the car seats. We'll get into that though, so I think we're gonna do that first. This is the current state of my car. Like I said, it's not horrible, it's just there's stuff kind of all over the place. Cohen's car seat, I'm gonna move to this side and put the infant car seat on this side. But first, we're just gonna pick up all the little toys and things and kind of just clean it up.
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown. With our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na. We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi. We'll go upstairs, with our best moves we get groovy. My, oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, oh my, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na.
Okay, we're back inside now. It's so hot out, but I'm glad we got that out of the way. It's so wild seeing 2 car seats in my back seat. I can't believe I'm gonna have 2 babies so soon. I'm so excited. But we're back inside. I'm so sweaty and gross, and my hair looks wild. I'm gonna make myself a little pick-me-up drink, and then I'm gonna stick all my pumps and stuff in the sterilizer and get that going. I'm gonna make a little drink with my Armra colostrum. I have talked about this before on here. Armra colostrum is a bioactive whole food, and ever since I started adding it into my drinks, it's made such a difference in my overall health. Specifically, something I notice as a super pregnant mom to a toddler is it's given me so much more energy, way more than other like caffeine, like coffee. I love my coffee, don't get me wrong, but this actually makes me feel amazing. So I've been loving having this every day. The recommended amount is 3 to 4 scoops, which is what I do, but because it is a bioactive whole food, you can take more as you please. The one I'm using is the unflavored, but they do have flavored options, but I like the unflavored specifically because I like to throw it in smoothies or any other drinks, juice, whatever. This is just in water today, but it doesn't taste like anything. Super easy to drink, little refreshment. If you guys are interested in checking out Armor Colostrum, we have worked up a special offer for you guys. You can receive 15% off of your first order if you go to tryarmor.com/OliviaC or use my code OliviaC at checkout to get that 15% off of Armor Colostrum. Definitely check it out. There's so many amazing benefits, not just energy. It's good for your hair and skin, energy, immunity, recovery, so many good health benefits. I've loved incorporating it into my daily lifestyle as a busy mom about to give birth, pregnant, all the above. So definitely check it out. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. I'm gonna drink this while we load up the sterilizer. I have the sterilizer and washer thingy from Mom Cozy, and it's amazing. It's so easy. You just load up all your stuff, it washes it and then sterilizes it and stores it. And I have not yet done that to my pumps or like storage bottles, so I need to get on it. I want to do that. I've done pacifiers, but that's it. So we're gonna do that next. Let's do it.
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi, or we'll go downtown.
I have that going. I have like just my wearable pumps in there. I don't know how much I'll actually end up even pumping once the baby comes. Am I out of focus? But I've already sterilized pacifiers, and then I've sterilized like my Haka and LV and like the Catch stuff, because those I know I'll use like pretty much right when my milk comes in. But now we're sterilizing or washing and sterilizing the manual pump, or not manual, I'm sorry. Well, I have a hand pump in there, and then my like wearable breast pumps, and then I need to sterilize all of my like storage bottles. I have like the Dr. Brown's storage milk bottles for the fridge that I need to sterilize. So we'll do that when those are done. Now we're gonna throw some laundry in. I need to wash Cohen's laundry, which I pulled out of his room before his nap because I remembered I needed to do that today. And then I also need to wash towels, and then probably my clothes. I have
With our best moves we can boogie.
left in this but we're gonna go throw Cohen's.
My oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My oh my.
Okay, I got a little package on my front porch while I was open. So cute. It's from Seny Kids, I think is how you say it. S-E-N-Y Kids. Hi Olivia, we hope Cohen and baby number 2 love the new Ghost PJs. Please let us know if you need different sizes. XO Seny Kids. That is so nice. Oh, I'm so excited. Pajamas. That is so perfect. How cute. And Cohen's literally so cute. Perfect timing because I'm gonna have a little baby before Halloween and they can now match. I am so excited. Thank you, Seny Kids, if you see this. Okay, so earlier I brewed some more raspberry leaf tea because I ran out, so I brewed some for the day. I have like 3 cups here, so I'm gonna put 1 cup over ice and then the rest in the refrigerator. Actually just gonna make that entire thing. That was only about 3 cups, so. Okay, Somebody woke up to join us. Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi. No. He woke up from his nap. He's eating some goldfish. And I'm going to quickly clean out the freezer drawer because that's where I plan to lay my milk in bags to freeze flat and then store it in the deep freezer after it's flattened, if that makes sense. So we're gonna quickly do that, and then I think I'm gonna wrap up this video just because this other stuff I'm doing is kind of like all day things, like laundry. It's like a whole process. I need to go grab Oakley. Say hi. Say hi.
We drive on by, they just can't deny it. They wanna
really
be
and then,
like
I
us.
said, I'm gonna wrap up this video.
We are goofy, playing tag in the jacuzzi.
Okay, so basically the idea is I have this little pan and like these are the milk bags. I would basically fill up with milk and then just lay flat so they freeze flat, and then I can put them in a bag and store them in the deep freezer. So there we go, all done. Okay, we are all done for today. I'm gonna end this vlog here. The next time you guys see me, I will have a newborn baby and be a mom of 2 perfect little babies. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you liked and enjoyed all the pregnancy content, but we're gonna say goodbye to the bump. We can take one last look here. Let me lower the camera. Mind the mess in the background, but here's the last bump shot y'all are getting in a vlog. 38 weeks and 2 days. We're so ready to meet this little baby. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video here because the rest of the stuff I need to do is just kind of like little things I'm gonna do over the next couple of days before this baby joins us to keep busy. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and and I will see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support over this pregnancy, and just overall all the love, all the support. I seriously appreciate it so much. Comment below when you think this baby will be born, what day you think its birthday will be, and if you think it's a boy or a girl, comment down below. Let me know. I will see you guys soon. I love you. Bye. Say bye-bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.